Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today my topic is Facebook earning, how we earn from Facebook. Facebook has evolved beyond a mere social network, set into a multifaceted platform where individual entrepreneurs and businesses can explore various avenues for earning income. The most common method of Facebook earning is through advertising. Facebook ad allow businesses and individuals to promote their product and services to a targeted audience. Advertiser can create highly specific campaign based on demographics, interests, and behaviors, maximizing the effectiveness of their market efforts. So we earn from Facebook earning through advertising. First of all, we monetize their content, so we have earned from through advertising. And also the Facebook allow businesses and individuals to promote their product and services through a targeted audience. Advertiser can create high specific campaigns. So we have earned from Facebook through advertising. For content creator and influencer, Facebook offers the option to monetize their content through in-stream ads by meeting eligibility criteria. What is the eligibility criteria? 10,000 followers, 60K watch time, and also make the uh, punch active videos, 5 active videos, creating an additional revenue stream beyond traditional advertising. Facebook Marketplace has become a thriving hub for e-commerce, providing users with a platform to buy and sell a wide range of products. Individuals and businesses can leverage this feature to reach a local or global audience, facilitating transactions and generating income. Facebook Facebook gaming has emerged as a significant player and online online gaming industry. Streamers can and content creator can monetize their gaming content through paying support in-game purchases and Facebook stars. Features where viewers can purchase stars to support their favorite creators during live stream. Live video on Facebook has opened up opportunities for content creators to connect with their audience in real time. Viewer can send Facebook star, purchase super chat, or make donation during live broadcast, providing creators with a direct way to earn income while engaging with their community. Facebook pages allow businesses and influencers to establish a presence on the platform and build a loyal following by creating valuable content and engaging with their audience, page owners, and attract sponsorships, collaboration, and other partnerships opportunities that contribute to their overall earning. Affiliate marketing is another avenue for Facebook earns by sharing affiliate links and promoting product or services. User can earn a commission for every sale generated through their unique links. This strategy allows individuals to leverage their influencers and promote products aligned with their audience interests. Crowdfunding through Facebook has gained popularity, enable creators to raise funds for specific projects or causes. With its launching a new product, supporting a charitable initiatives or funding creative endeavors, user can rally their community for financial support. Facebook groups have become a valuable tools for community building and niche specific discussions. Thank you so much.